Okay, I'm going to change the serpentine belt in my 99 Chevy Silverado. First thing I got to do is get these air tubes out of the way. So loosen the clamp on the tube next to the air filter. And slide that off the air filter housing. Then loosen this clamp on the tube at the center of the engine by the alternator. Now you can pull that unit all the way out. Okay, next get a 15mm socket. And we're going to use that on the belt tension arm to loosen the tension on the belt so we can remove it. And you can see that the pulley is broken on that, so I'll be replacing the tensioner. So crank it to the right, pull the belt off, then let go. Now you can pull the belt all the way off. And this is the guide I'm going to use to put the new belt back on. But first I need to change the automatic belt tensioner. So it's held on by 3 bolts. Just remove those. And it's the same 15mm socket. And just pull it off. Then put the new one on and install the 3 bolts. And now you can feed your belt in there according to the diagram. And at the end, put that socket on the belt tensioner, crank it to the right as far as it'll go, and put the top part of the belt on the little pulley wheel at the top of the engine there. And then let go. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.